everybody, here's a new science fun video to learn more about how plants influence air quality. We know air is all around us. We feel it in a windy day when we fly a kite or when we breathe, even when we are swimming. So what is air anyways? Well, air is a mixture. It's a blending of many gases. The most important ones are nitrogen, which, by the way, is
the most abundant element in the atmosphere.
Then we have oxygen and carbon dioxide, among some others. Air makes up the atmosphere from planet Earth. We may not see it, but we know it surrounds us. The oxygen in the air is the most important gas for life. We all need air to breathe. Our lungs absorb oxygen and expel carbon dioxide every time we exhale. This oxygen is sent through our bloodstream so all our cells can have oxygen needed to survive. Without it, our survival would be impossible. When we inhale air through our nose or through the mouth. From your nose, it heads through your trachea and then it goes back to your lungs. Well, animals, regardless where they live, need oxygen to live too. Fish absorb the oxygen in water through their gills. On the other hand, land animals use lungs to get their energy. Animals also need oxygen for the same reason other living things need it, to convert food into energy. Plants need to breathe for the same reason people and animals must breathe. Remember these. They need oxygen to convert food into energy. But plants also are air purifiers for planet Earth. They clean it, taking the CO2 or carbon dioxide and producing the oxygen we need. Not only us, but animals need it too. This happens through one of the most amazing chemical reactions you can imagine: photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, which is the process by which plants use light from the sun to make their food inside their bodies, they absorb carbon dioxide and becomes sugar. Carbon dioxide is a waste gas. In natural quantities, it is good for our environment. The problem is when human beings increase the amount of carbon dioxide around us. This leads to what we call air pollution or air contamination. When people burn fossil fuels using too many vehicles powered by gasoline, then they're adding carbon dioxide to our beautiful environment. Other activities that increase the amount of carbon dioxide are cutting down trees, burning of wood, smoke released from factories and industries, burning of coal and other fossil fuels. The photosynthesis process in plants help then reduce air contamination. Why? Because plants and trees absorb carbon dioxide and in return they give back air as oxygen. In other words, plants are natural purifiers. Do we understand now how important plants are for life on planet Earth? Now, let's see if you could answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is air? Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and small amounts of other gases that surrounds the Earth and forms its atmosphere. Question number 2. Why do plants, animals, and humans need air to survive? They need oxygen to convert their food into energy they can use to survive and to carry out all their functions. Question number 3. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use light from the sun, water, minerals from the soil, and carbon dioxide to make their own food inside their bodies. Question number 4. Why are plants called natural purifiers? They are called natural purifiers because they clean the air naturally through the photosynthesis process, absorbing carbon dioxide from the air and from the environment. Let's see if you can respond. Question number 5. What activities increase contamination? Think about it. Cutting down trees, burning of wood, smoke released from factories, burning of coal and other fossil fuels are some of the most contaminating activities. Question number 6. After everything we have learned today, how can deforestation affect air quality? Or in other words, how clean air is in an area? Plants and trees purify and provide oxygen after photosynthesis. If there are no plants in an area, it would get very, very polluted or contaminated, and air quality would be poor and not healthy. Well, kids, it's been a pleasure to be with you today. See you in a new science class. Goodbye.